Hello everyone, this is Dimesh. Welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna react to the trailer of Sachin A Billion Dreams. This is the most anticipated movie. The teaser came out like 6 months ago and it was crazy. It was absolutely amazing. Everyone was super excited for this movie, and finally we have the trailer. This is gonna be fantastic. You know, the one man, the one inspiration, the one legend, the one idol that we all have, and finally there's a movie on him and it looks fantastic. It's directed by an Emmy Award director, James Erskine. It has music by A.R. Rahman, and above all, unlike movies like Azhar and Dhoni, it has Sachin himself. It's a docudrama style movie, which means it's mostly documentary, but there are some dramatized events of stuff that cannot be captured on camera. And so it's going to be absolutely real, absolutely amazing, and an inside look into Sachin's life. So let's go and check this trailer out. Here we go with the trailer of Sachin A Billion Dreams.
परेशान कर दिया मुझे सोसाइटी के बच्चों ने।
मैं सिर्फ 10 साल का था जब 1983 में इंडिया ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता। वहीं से सफर मेरा शुरू हुआ। एक दिन मुझे भी वर्ल्ड कप हाथ में पकड़ना था।
Wow. This is going to be super inspirational.
नाम क्या बोला अपने भाई का?
क्रिकेट पहले था, हम सब बाद में, और ये हम सब ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था। जब भी टीम अच्छा नहीं खेलती थी तो वो इतना परेशान होता था कि रात को सो भी नहीं पाता था।
इस बात के काफी सबूत हैं कि मैच फिक्सिंग हुई थी।
ये इंडियन क्रिकेट का सबसे बुरा वक्त था। हर खिलाड़ी को निराशा के बाद अपने पैरों पे खड़े होकर लड़ना जरूरी होता है।
This movie covers a lot of things. That's interesting. Oh, the biggest fan.
I would tell people, when Sachin comes into that, मुझे बता देना।
क्रिकेट खेलना मेरे लिए मंदिर जाने की तरह था।
Okay, so that looks absolutely fantastic. It's releasing in Hindi, Marathi, English, Tamil, Telugu. So huge release, worldwide, kind of a global release for everyone and anyone. And it is really amazing. I mean, it captures so many things. It's not just a one-dimensional track about celebrating his success or his kind of inspiration, but it also captures his lows, his family life, the kind of match-fixing era. It also shows us what other people like Dhoni think about Sachin, and it gives us a good perspective on how amazing he is, his journey from his childhood. And so this movie is really it's very different. It's not just one dimensional, and that's what I like about it. So it's going to be huge. The music by A.R. Rahman, there was a song at the start, I really like that tune, and it's going to be great. He's going to totally kick ass this time, I think, Mr. A.R. Rahman. And this movie really is going to be huge. Like, I think everyone's going to watch it in the theater, because why wouldn't you? I mean, that whole atmosphere, the whole sound effects, the whole cheering, both on screen and probably off screen, is going to be absolutely amazing. And I can't wait for this movie. It's releasing on 26th May. It's going to be fabulous, inspirational, and it's important because many of us watched cricket for him. Many of us probably don't watch cricket anymore as much as we used to when Sachin used to play, and that's the whole power that he had, his whole kind of legendary impact that he had. And I don't need to tell you much about Sachin. Everyone knows about him, and so he's really amazing, and this movie is going to be really interesting to watch. So we get an inside perspective of his life, and so that will be something for us to learn from and to watch and enjoy. So I hope you like that trailer, and I hope you like this trailer reaction and review to Sachin A Billion Dreams. If you haven't subscribed yet, like, comment, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and take care.